Welcome to the Foundations of Cloud Computing course. This is week 1, our launch week, titled Start Your Cloud Journey Today. In this chapter, we'll explore how to build on your initial momentum and accelerate your path to becoming cloud ready. Welcome to week 1, launch week. In these past 7 days, you've gone from zero to becoming genuinely cloud ready. We covered fundamental aspects, including core concepts like public versus private cloud and the shared responsibility model. You were introduced to essential AWS services, such as EC2, S3, RDS, Lambda, VPC, and IAM. We also explored crucial topics like pricing models, understanding pay-as-you-go, reserved instances, and the free tier. Beyond the tech, we discussed real cloud careers, looking at the paths and salaries for roles like cloud engineers, architects, and DevOps professionals. And importantly, you gained practical experience with hands-on labs, focusing on real tasks, not just definitions. Finally, we touched on exam preparation, covering service comparisons, scenario questions, and key gotchas to help you solidify your knowledge for certification. While watching videos offers a great starting point for building awareness, our experience shows that reading the book truly builds lasting skills and moves you faster. Short videos are excellent for quick introductions, but they often lack the depth needed to quickly revisit a concept or test your understanding with practice questions. Without a structured approach, momentum can easily fade. In contrast, the book organizes every topic in one place, provides step-by-step labs you can run yourself, includes exam-style questions after each chapter, and allows you to work at your own pace and on your schedule. This structured approach is key to deep learning and retention. Ready to take the next step? There are 3 straightforward steps to get started today. First, grab your copy of the Foundations of Cloud Computing book on Amazon at the URL displayed. Second, dive into Chapter 1's free tier lab. It's designed so you have no credit card risk. And third, aim to work through just 1 chapter per day. By doing so, you'll be well on your way to being AWS certified cloud practitioner ready in a matter of weeks. Let's summarize week 1, launch week. You now have a comprehensive understanding of the full cloud foundation map. You're familiar with core AWS services like EC2, S3, IAM, and VPC, and you understand their functions. You also know that real cloud roles are actively seeking individuals with precisely these skills. The book serves as your structured next step, offering a cohesive learning path unlike a disconnected series of videos. Most importantly, you've already started your cloud journey, so don't stop here. Now available, the Foundations of Cloud Computing book is your essential resource to keep building on the momentum from this launch week. It expands on everything you've learned, offering more in-depth content, extensive hands-on labs, and real exam-style practice. This book contains all the AWS core services and practical exercises from this series, ready for you to work through at your own pace. Continue your learning journey and get the book on Amazon to build, deploy, and manage scalable solutions in the cloud. We look forward to seeing your progress.